Today we're going to cook rice in a pot.
Yay! Did you know it tastes better if you cook rice in the pot instead of using rice cooker?
It's very easy to follow if you just keep the time.
Also, we're gonna add the steak over the rice for topping, so it's gonna be a very good dish.
Yeah, and by changing the toppings, you can enjoy this rice in many different ways.
Also for the soup, we're gonna make 된장찌개. 된장 is Korean bean paste, and we like to pair this with any beef dish.
And don't miss out our tips today.
So should we start making it? So let's begin.
We need ribeye, salt, and pepper, zucchini, scallions, doenjang, chili powder, minced garlic, and tofu. We're going to use 3 cups of rice, and that's enough for 3 servings. And let's wash the rice with cold water. I usually rinse them for 2 to 3 times, but remember you save the second water. It's going to be a great broth for the 된장찌개 later. And when you're done with the process, keep the rice in the water for 30 minutes. And season the ribeye with salt and pepper. And let's cut the zucchini. I usually cut the zucchini into circles, and then I cut it into quarter pieces. And chop some scallions. We're going to use some for topping and some for 된장찌개. And dice your tofu. Just like that. Add 2 cups of rice water and 1 spoon of doenjang. If your doenjang is too thick, use a sift. Add chili powder and minced garlic. And put all the ingredients. Usually I put the zucchini first. Now your 된장찌개 is all done. You're going to move on to the rice. Rice in a pot. In a big pot, put the rice, but make sure you drain all the water from before. And then add same amount of water, 3 cups. And then close the pot. And we're gonna start boiling at a high heat until it just boils. And when the rice boils, turn down the heat to medium and then cook for another 10 minutes. And then turn the heat off and wait for about 5 minutes. Lastly, let's cook the steak. Put some olive oil on a hot pan and cook the steak. If you flip over the steak and if it looks brown, then turn them over. After you cook your steak, take it out of the pan and let's take the resting time. So your steak will be so juicy later, just like this. And then cut the steak into small pieces. So we're all done. Just add a load of steak on the top of the rice. I usually cook my steak to medium rare, so it will cook a little bit more in the hot rice. Finish with some scallions. Here comes our favorite topping, sesame seed. And finish with the egg yolk. It's gonna be a great sauce.
잘 먹겠습니다.
Wow, that's a lot of steak. I want to take a picture.
Break the egg yolk and start mixing it. Because we seasoned our steak, it's gonna be good as it is, but add a little bit of butter and some teriyaki sauce for better taste. Now enjoy!
맛있어요. 우와.
It's great to share with friends and also bring the quite big. 된장찌개 먹었어. Well, with the fish dish. Yummy. 맛있다.
How did you like our steak rice? Was it good? We're gonna come back with another video next Monday. So stay tuned and please like our video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye guys!